Actually, my real name's not Toby, it's Autumn. But I figured I needed a stage name, right? So, my favorite month in autumn is October, which is awful.
Shh. Freeze!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
It's just a teaser.
Oh my gosh! Bob, is this for me? You are such a sweetie. We're in love and stuff.
But you're supposed to be dating a dead director that's on.
Can't deny it. We're flowers making pollen. We're bees making honey.
Well. Looks like somebody got some answering to do regarding the murder of Christopher.
Whoa, now hold on, brother.
Don't think I can't see it. Off in the director, so you...
Huh, you mean her? No, man. It was the writer. Yeah. I mean, I wasn't going to say anything before. Well, partly because I was too fucked up to speak. But earlier tonight, we all saw a side of Max that made us all practically explode our trousers. Christopher never liked Max's ending to the movie. No. So he shot an alternate ending. Crazy mother lost it, man. Guess Hollywood had screwed him over just one too many times.
Christopher gets the axe. Max gets his ending.
Cut and dry, my man. Cut and dry.
We'll see. Hank! Oh, Jesus, man.
It's okay. Dad's here.
What's this?
Oh my gosh! His blood is blue!
That's weird. What is that?
Looks like your story's holding water.
Wait! Don't leave us. It's not safe here.
It's not safe anyway.
Hey! Free! Get back here!
Freeze! Don't move!